I just love this look. This swimsuit is from Ekouaer. Love it, love it, love it. True to size. This sarong I'm obsessed with. This is from Ekouaer. Center review, center review. I love the modest cut here. It's very supportive. It is mom friendly because you're like, you know, digging through your kids' stuff, getting sunblock toys, water, whatever. You're not gonna fall out, you're not gonna get exposed. Love that. I also love this ruching. It's gathered here, it's smooth in the back, and it's got even fun like low back there, but adjustable straps. I just love the ruching here, so it kind of hides, and it comes in a ton of different colors and designs. It is a bit cheeky in the back, full coverage in the front, and a bit on the cheeky side in the back, but that's where this comes into play. This sarong, it is so fun. This has like these fuzzy little balls on them. They are flat-ish, like they're not balls, but they are textured, if that makes sense. And then it is like see-through, but it just hides what you want it to hide and kind of gives it like a really fun look. Okay, so this is wearing it on the waist. A really, really gorgeous. Just throw it in the washer. Easy care. Hang dry though. I wouldn't throw this in the dryer. And then let me show you another fun way I like to wear sarongs. This one is a little short. It's not easy to do this. If you're smaller, it'll be easier, but you can tie it behind your neck. And now you have a really cute dress. Now again, it is slightly see-through, but this is a really fun beach look. Kind of takes you from beach to beach bar, poolside bar, whatever. You could even belt it, but I think, oh my gosh, I just love this look. And it crosses over enough, so as you walk, unless it's like really windy, then that might blow open, but oh my gosh, I love wearing my sarongs this way. As I mentioned, it's a bit snug here, because it's not quite long enough to make this like a super long tie, but totally doable.